Yo guys, what is good? It's your boy John Wong here, back again with another video, and today we got a special review on a birthday present pickup. Alright, so first off, if you guys have not seen my most recent video where I go over a bunch of different gifts that I got for my birthday, including sneakers and sneaker related things, make sure to check it out afterwards. It was really cool just going over a bunch of different things that my friends got me. I'm really grateful for all that they've done. It wasn't just sneakers, but it was also like collectibles for a sneakerhead. So I was very happy with making that video. And like I said in that video, you should be expecting sneaker reviews for the sneakers that I got from my friends. And today begins the first of the 2 sneakers that I got for my birthday. So we are going to do a review on this pickup. I just realized that that was a pun. I did not intend that, but yeah, we're gonna do a review on this. Yeah, okay. So again, this sneaker is a gift from a bunch of my friends. They all decided to chip in on this one thing. Now, over the last 2 years, this is something that I've been talking a lot about on my channel, and I've been wanting this in my collection, never really got the chance to get around it. But yeah, let's take them out of the box, and in 3, 2, 1, sheesh! Yes, sir! As you guys can see, we do have the On Cloudmonsters in this white and gray colorway. Now, if this is your first time hearing about On as a sneaker brand, this is probably your first time on my channel because I have gone over this brand so many different times over the last 2 years. Now, over the last 2 years, we have just seen an exponential growth in OnCloud as a brand in the sneaker industry. They've become incredibly popular over time. And for those of you guys who don't know, they are basically a Swiss engineering running brand. So their sneakers are very comfortable with their technology. And I have spoken on how soft and how durable their sneakers are for not just running, but for lifestyle as well. Now, personally for me, I'm from New York City. So whenever I see someone going on a run or just walking around on the streets, I'm always seeing a pair of Ons. And this is just the perfect walking or running sneaker out there because they are so comfortable and they will not make your feet feel tired. I mean, it's actually really hard to believe that up until this day, I've never owned a pair of Ons before. I have heard a lot about how great they are. I just never really got around to buying my own pair. Now, OnCloud has a bunch of different models that you can choose from. They have the Cloud Tilts, the Cloud Eclipse, the Cloud Surfers, but personally, I feel that the Cloud Monsters are the most comfortable silhouette of them all. Here you are getting the most cushioning and the most bang for your buck when it comes to the Cloud Monsters. Now, this sneaker was definitely made for running, but you can also walk in them and just wear them for lifestyle as well, which makes the shoe all the more versatile and so much great to own. And I would even go as far as saying that when it comes to the top 10 most comfortable sneakers of all time from any brand, the On Cloudmonsters are definitely up there. Now, I definitely recommend looking into the On Cloudmonsters for anyone who is trying to try out On as a brand. It's definitely not going to be a regret. I promise you, OnCloud is just a great brand when it comes to comfortability. And for those of you guys who are not a fan of how the On Cloudmonsters look, because let's be honest, they do look outlandish, I would definitely advise you to check out the OnCloud Tilts. They're also very comfortable and they have more of that minimalist aesthetic as well. I personally love this colorway because I feel like it's so neutral and it's so easy just to pair with anything. I love how it's a white upper with a gray midsole. I feel like those 2 colors just complement really well with one another. And again, I think this is a great summer shoe to wear. Definitely gonna bust them out as soon as I finish this sneaker review. Now, you guys see right here, there are these holes, kind of like hex looking shapes. And this is the kind of technology that they provide when it comes to the midsoles. So when you take a step in them, you can literally see your feet sinking into the floor as the midsole folds in. And that's just such a satisfying look. And it just shows you how much cushioning is in the sneaker and how soft they feel on your feet. So this is definitely a really cool looking shoe in my opinion. Now again, these hex shaped looking holes are gonna creep some people out, but if you can tolerate the patterning of this midsole, it is definitely going to be something that is enjoyable to wear. I feel like a lot of people who are, I feel like that's trichophobia, those people who are scared of holes, right? They're not gonna like how this shoe looks, but still it's really worth it, guys, trust me. Now, starting off with the upper, we do have this white mesh construction followed by a polyurethane overlay on top of it. So inside the shoe, the upper is going to feel very soft and breathable like mesh should feel. However, if you feel it on the outside, the polyurethane is very rough and almost plasticky, and this follows around the entire shoe. As we go into the toe box, we do have some perforation holes in that line-shaped patterning. And then as we go into the corner of the toe box, we do have our OnCloud logo right here in gray. And when it comes to the logo, I never fully understand what was the true intention behind its design. So obviously you can read it as On, which is the name of the brand. However, if you turn it this way, it reads as OC, which can be On Cloud. So I don't know, I feel like it has a double meaning. Maybe that was their intention behind it, but it's a very interesting thing that you never really notice. Over to the mudguard of the sneaker, we have this white rubber, and in the center, we do have the OnCloud logo that is embossed into the sneaker in that white rubber as well. I think it's really interesting to see a lot of subtle hints of branding throughout the sneaker that you wouldn't really see if you were standing from far away. Now, as we move over to the outer side profile of the sneaker, we do have the O for On in this silver reflective material. I'm pretty sure that if you're ever running at night and you're wearing these will probably be reflective and kind of stand out. And as you look down below, we do have Cloud Tech screen printed in white, and I feel like it's very subtle. I like that a lot. I like how the branding is not too crazy on these. It's not something too overwhelming where it's going to take so much attention on the sneaker. You can barely see it, and it's very minimal in that sense. Now, moving over to the back profile of the sneaker, on our right corner, we do have the On logo once again. Moving over to the tongue area, we do have a white mesh tongue followed by standard white laces. Now, on the tongue, we do have the name of the model, which states On Cloudmonster in white and gray. Now, I just noticed this now, but it's only shown on the right side of the pair. And on the back profile, we do have the Swiss engineering logo in this red cross right here, which obviously is meant to reflect that OnCloud is a Swiss brand. Now, moving over to the midsole, this is basically our meat and potatoes of the sneaker. This is basically a uniquely designed midsole with a bunch of different holes, obviously to show off the cushioning in the sneaker. Now, their holes are shaped to look like hexagons, and I feel like this is very, very interesting. And like I said before, when you step into the sneaker, your feet will sink into the ground as these holes will basically just collapse, and every step will just feel like you're walking on a cloud. Hence the name, the On Cloudmonster. Now, towards the middle of the midsole, we do have the words Cloud Tech embossed into the shoe, obviously representing that this is the kind of technology that they're using for the Cloudmonsters. Moving over to the insoles of the sneaker, we do have this white insole. As we move down, we have On Cloudmonster screen printed into the insoles. Now, on the back, we have more of this foam material, which is very soft, but we also have the On logo that is debossed into it. And finally, moving over to our outsole of the sneaker, we do have our typical On Cloudmonster traction patterning in gray and white, complementing the rest of the sneaker. So overall, in terms of sizing, I would say that the On Cloudmonsters are true to size. You don't have to size up or down. I went with my true to size, which is a size 10, and these fit perfect. So that is pretty much everything on the On Cloudmonsters. I'm definitely excited to bust them out as soon as possible. This is going to be a very enjoyable sneaker to wear for the summertime. So there we have it, the On Cloudmonsters in the gray and white colorway. Again, shout out to Gabe, Lizzie, Timo, Justin, and Chris for picking these up for me. I truly appreciate it. This is definitely a great birthday present. Again, I've been talking about On for so long that it really amazes me how I didn't have one in my collection just yet. But now I'd like to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts of OnCloud as a brand? Are they really comfortable? Do you really like them? Or are they just too ugly to get over? Are they not worth the money? Let me know in the comments down below because I do want to hear from you guys. And as always, if you guys liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to hear more from me, smash the subscribe button because more will be on the way. Again, these are the On Cloudmonsters, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!